Welcome to CViConnect Professional Edition. In this video, we will show you how to enroll a student. So the first thing you'll need to do is log into your CViConnectPro.com, and then as soon as you've done that, you'll land on your dashboard. Across the top of the screen, we're going to click on Students. Here, your student search page will load. You will see a list of students once you have enrolled them. To add a new student, you will click the plus icon in the upper right-hand corner. And now you can begin enrolling your student. You'll enter in their first name, let's say Allison, and last name, we'll say student for now, and then gender, and then their date of birth. Make sure too that you change the year. For now, I'm just going to pick a random date. This next box is for their user ID. Now, if a student has in their own email address, you'll want to enter that here. If not, you can generate one by just clicking this pencil icon on the right. So I'm going to do that, and then the same thing with the student ID. If your district has a student ID, you can go ahead and enter that in yourself, but if your school doesn't have anything like that, you can just click the pencil icon and we'll generate a unique ID for you for your student. Now, the whole purpose for using a unique user ID and student ID is to keep our system HIPAA compliant. And now I'll just continue down the form using the student's address, city, state, and their zip code. Next, I'll want to select the correct time zone, and you can use that drop-down menu, which all of those are listed alphabetically for you. The next section in the form is for phone numbers. My student doesn't have a work phone number, so I'm just going to enter in her home phone number. This next part of our form is going to explain the validation code. This is only for students who have already been enrolled in our CViConnect Home Edition. Since my student is new to CViConnect, I can scroll back to the top and press the disk icon to save. When I do, an enrollment confirmation box will appear providing me with the student's user ID and password. I can either use the X in the upper right-hand corner to return to the student search and enroll additional students, or I can click the Go to Student Notebook, which is what I'm going to do today, which will allow me to continue working on this student's account. And now I am officially in my student Allison's notebook. A student menu has appeared on the left-hand side, and these sections will allow me to truly individualize my student's educational experience with CViConnect. The first in the menu is the demographics, which will open anytime you select the student from that student search page. The demographics is all the information you just provided during the enrollment, including the student's unique user ID and password. When you share this login information, it can be used by the family to access the CViConnect Home Edition app on their home iPad. And with that, you've enrolled your first student. Remember, you can go back up to that student tab again at the very top and begin enrolling your next student, or watch our next video on how to assign team members to a student. Thank you for watching CViConnect Professional Edition, How to Enroll a Student.